Hello my students, Kamalam oh here my name is Oichati. Welcome to my channel, the beginning of the YouTube journey. Hey, I don't know when I'm gonna drop this vlog, but I thought like let me open this first vlog. I know all the 10 subscribers that I have right now. I have 10 subscribers.
Ai, ai.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and lions gonna come.
Jonga, lalela, ndisuka pinapi. I'm still going there at 10 at the tar road. Like I said, Lalin, I worked just for going to church. I don't think after today I'm gonna go to church again. I bet Lalin, that's why I don't go to church. This is not it. Like here's not when they exaggerate. I'm finished. Get on the attack. Lali constantly. This one thing is so. Yeah. Oh.
Suvala.
Kwamba. Eh? Lazi pegs. Mama, can you see this? Imisebenzi yezandla zami ke le. Imisebenzi yomusa. Gila ngikhona. Imisebenzi yomusa. I just want to grab something to eat because I'm hungry. Guys, I don't like you watch, but because they watch many from the app, I don't know where I love the cakes. I am so tempted to buy them. Cake. Oh, I can buy this. But these are so cheap, guys. I eat my that.
Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Hello. Hi. Get down now. Yes, please. I live in Kazan. No. Hey, guys. 11 at bus station, guys. Waiting for my bus. My bus is at 2:15. The time now is 10 to 12. Jalo ke teng hlala ko teng now. Why do that Zakarubak? Like I feel like people are weird, but what am I doing?
Let's go back to when Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. We must merely make a start, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah.
Yeah, block.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
Kutukanya bile msokantana. Very piggy. My turn. Ini mafanya true love. Ukona neziphi John? Ukona neziphi? No kweziphi? Ukona ne true love. Lenye makuthiwa yantoni.